I'm back. Now that we got the library set up, we got the playground set up. It's registering all the components. Here's the question, can I use... I also need it to register the view mint, I do believe, so... I'm gonna want that available in here too. Go to layouts, default.view. For the app, we're gonna give it Just want to do mint widget button model equals title hello. I'm gonna save that. Run dev, and I feel like it's not gonna let me do it. No, it's fine. Where's that button though? Here it is. Span hello. It's just hiding behind the header. But it made it, so... Take a look at the Nuxt config. Okay, so it's got to be something from in here. Maybe the Mint View plugin is probably... It adds that so that I can... access the... the plugins. Nextapp.viewApp.use Mint View. I'm guessing that handles it. And then this one literally just logs. That's just a test. Okay, so we're good here. We're good here. I'm gonna make some updates to push up the pipeline. So what we're gonna do here, Wait, this is for the test, isn't it? Well, that's where I have it installing them. So this mint sanitize, I'm confused as to why this is even working. But I'll take it. Not gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. Um, there's gotta be a better way to do this. I mean, there is with Nuxt. Maybe that's just what it is. Just use Nuxt. I'm the idiot who wanted a separate view package. Yeah, I don't think I'm building this main.ts in view mint. I'm confused why it's working in here. But as long as it works, that's all that matters. Maybe I'll find a problem when I try to publish it. What was I gonna do? Oh, of my. That's just for testing. Need that eventually. See, do I need this index? I don't think so. I'm not importing them. Let's see, button, content, button. Content, I'm importing it from its relative. Yeah, I think think I get rid of these index files. Actually, the stores I would keep. I don't think I need this. Oh shit. No, I did need this. What have I done? Idiot. Okay. Well, at least it remembers. Title, icon, image card, button content. Let's get these sorted. Save that. Partials, I'm just going to delete that because there's no partials yet. Components. There we go. Everybody's happy again. Okay, so I'm gonna change these to mint view widget. And these are all also, yes, yes. Save it. Means I need to find this one, no, this one. Definitely gonna want these backed up. Man, I need to get these two projects on the same format schedule. Why is it hiding all my files like this? I don't like this at all. I'll come back to this. I'll come back to this. Linting's important, but not right now. So now all the components have view in their name, same with the store. Let's check out. Oh, jeez. Byte config.lib. No, byte config.ts is the default. Mint view is already there. Okay, everything seems fine here. Just give it a build. Give it a serve. Got the hello. Very nice. And we can we'll make a new minor version of this because we changed the naming convention of the widgets. So we will do npm version minor force -m. Inject the version number, and we'll do prefix now mint view. And we run that. Now I want to link it. And go to the Nuxt library and link it. Let's see, let's close this. I don't think I'm gonna need some of these because Nuxt is all convenient and stuff. I'm just not used to having all that nice stuff. Let's see, it adds the view plugin, adds the plugin, adds the components with a prefix. I think I can get rid of these index files though. Hope I don't regret this one again. Yeah, this resolves it here too, so I don't think I really need that. I think everybody's happy here. Now I need to go over the components and make sure that they use correct syntax. I shouldn't need this at all, yes. And view widget card. And view widget card. Because Matt, it's on one line. I agree. Make these pretty. I gotta figure out how I can sync my formatter with, wait, yeah, saving it's gonna auto format. Shit. Yeah, I agree, but when I save, it's automatically. There we go. Much better. Is that it? Mint view widget card. Mint Nuxt widget button. It's gotta be one or the other. Go to button. Mint. I shouldn't need that. This is view. That is view. Everybody happy in there. Mint view store config. Oh, just mad I haven't fixed it here. Too opinionated. Is this even view? I'm just gonna. I think I'm getting too fancy with my imports. That's good. That's all I need. Why does this one allow the first one to be indented, but not here? But it's in the script tag. Whatever. I'll live. Everything's fine in here. Let's come over to header. It's already only using Mint Nuxt widgets. That's better. What have I done? Everything's good here. And these ones don't have them. I don't think I need the comments until it gets to be too many of them. Nuxt. So we're good here. App. View store config. View store config. Save that. Excuse me. Plugin. Well, these are Nuxt plugins. Module gets the components, both plugins are registered. That's everything. So let's make sure we're prepared for development. And now we npm run dev. And 0 errors, really. Reload this guy, inspect it for the, yeah, mint widget button didn't render because it is a mint view widget button now, which now prints the button. But without the title of hello. Because you could go into view mint, app, no, the main is where I registered the directive, but I have to do that in here instead. So let's cut that, save it, and put that right in here. Get DOM purify in here, mint sanitize, DOM purify. Save that. Don't need that. So let's go back. Just shows hello. So I want to go to I think I just need it in both places actually. Because this is like the test app. So now we have title up there. But this is separate, but it will still inject it whenever something imports this. I do believe I'm right, so I should be able to npm run build, npm link just in case. Why am I doing this in the dark? That's better. Okay, so I've linked it. Now let's just prepare. Serve it again. It's using mint config. What was I doing? Oh yeah, this extra button up here. And now it says hello. Close that. And now I want to pass in some HTML there and see if it will render it for me. Aha! There we go. So now I have a version of VHTML that will not let other people inject malicious cross-site scripting attacks. Fancy. Fancy stuff. So I can get rid of that. Everybody gets registered. Feel pretty good about where I am. And it works, so let's go back. So npm version patch /m b%s, and it's going to be inject mint sanitize. So that's gonna push the changes. Ooh, version 3.2.1. That's fun. I'm gonna take a quick break while we wait for that to build. So let's just come over here. I will be back. Three, two, one is published. Let's go to Nuxt mint and update mint. Really? Does view not have it either? No, it didn't. I'll do that at some point. Let's see. Wait. Playground. I want this one. It is a peer dependency. Dependencies, Nuxt kit. That's to peers. So we npm I dash save peer at apartment / view mints at latest. Peer. And then we'll do at app art mint / mints at latest. Now we bumped to 3.2.1. Now this plugin, wait, that's Nuxt Mint. This one uses Mint View. Yeah, that's what I want. And then the module loads the plugin. And that adds my components. Yeah, I don't think I need this. Module's gonna take care of registering everything, it looks like. Guess I need to import things somewhere, but this is Nuxt. Auto imports is the default, so I appreciate that. Set that to 0. Okay, module registers everything. Playground. Registers. Module. I don't think I need this. Okay. Let's prepare it. Then we serve. I didn't define serve. Let's just do that now. Just an alias. Pick out byte. And view store config is not a function. And view store config is not a function. Not read properties of undefined reading header. Is something wrong with headers? There's no build. Guess it's dev build. I definitely said earlier I'm gonna find out if there's an error when I publish it. What was I talking about when I said that? But I used the store in here. Didn't I? Didn't I use the store in the header? Mint view store config. Get active pane. It's named in here. Mint view store config. Mint view store config is not a function. It's definitely a function. Um, does it have to use global opinion? I mean, it should. I think I did that. Yeah, it's my library isn't exporting it. Guess I probably have to attach it in here. Maybe. Yeah, no, we can't do that. But I exported it here. It should be available. Oh. Oh, wait. Something's going on here. Why isn't this working? It was working before. You gonna build? I'll be right back. I didn't do it. Everything seems fine. Let's link it again. It was working before I pushed it, right? Okay. So it works when I use my local version, but not. But not the live version? That's what I should be doing. Um, mint view store config is not function. Did I not update view mint? No, view mint is clean. Let me just make sure. Yeah. um. Mint view store config is not a function, but it is. Oh yeah? Why am I only finding that here? There's definitely one in Nuxt, just regular old Nuxt Mint. No, there it is. App views, mint view store config from. Yeah. Routes does it too, and then view mint, export function, mint view store config. What's your problem, dude? So it works with my local files, but not the library. Something wrong here? It's very confusing. Why would it work on in my local folder, but not on the released version? And there should be no difference between the two. Let's go back to view mints. Check out the package.json. I just npm on build. Do an npm link. Nope, not what I meant. Please. This vision is working just fine. Oh. I think I got it. I updated this. Did not update this. That's why. It's looking at an old version. I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay. Now I know to look out for it. So we're back in business. I just need to go into the playground and update. Now it's gonna work. Obviously gonna have to fix that. But it appears to be working. So let's try get out of the playground. Find that Really? I don't like that. P tags aren't supposed to be self-closing. It's okay. Everything seems to be working just fine. We got all the things are working. To the best of expectations. I will keep in mind now that I need to separately manage the package.json for the playground and the library, which has peer dependencies. One dependency. Let me make sure this is correct. These are all peer dependencies. Why is it in here? Header uses view router. This has peer dependency view router. This one does not, but I do believe needs it. Yes, it doesn't. It's there, so and you know what, and view. So, yeah, I'm gonna add view and view router as peer dependencies. npm I -- save peer. View and view router. Yeah. And then that means this guy. Oh, not that guy. Checking here actually, because I'm sure this has view router and view. Oh, well, it's a peer dependency of view mint. That's, give me something else. View router is a dependency of Nuxt. Yeah, so I don't actually need to specify that in here. And I'm guessing I don't need to specify that in here, so I can just get rid of that because it already has. I'm guessing all that comes with Nuxt kit. Whoops. So get rid of that. Everything's working fine in the playground. Yeah, everything seems fine here. Lots of changes. Let's npm run lint fix. Woo! Good npm run test. The tests are just stubs for now anyways, but it's part of the pipeline, so gotta make sure that works. Cool. Now I can, what have I done? Basically, yeah, added the components. Well, let's see. First, I'm gonna link it. So let's do. First, we're gonna do. Yeah. Around npm run prepare. Okay. Now run npm link. And I'm pretty sure this is all fine and dandy. So I am going to npm version patch force. Well, let's get a git status in here for a second so I can take a look. Let's do added basic components. So npm version patch force -mv %s added basic components. And that will do all the things. We'll do all the things that I just did manually. That's published. And linked. We'll go back to the Nuxt chatbot, npm linked at app art mint slash Nuxt mint. Now that's going to link the Nuxt mint library to the chatbot application. Okay, Toma needs something. Let's get him on screen real quick. What do you want, bud? Time for wet food. So I'll be right back. All right. Left off. I linked the Nuxt library to the Nuxt chatbot. Real quick, take a look at the config. We're importing the module here, setting the config down here. Got the global pina. Vite has my library imported as star. Plugins src /mint. We don't want this. Because this registers the viewmint library. You don't want to have to do both, so we'll just handle it. Good. And I removed that from here anyways. Components is partial widget, mint Nuxt is partial widget. Yeah, so I can get rid of all of these. Layouts. I keep. Middleware is empty. Pages. It's just test data. Server doesn't have anything yet. The app just uses the Pinion. Which I think I can get it rid of. I don't think it's doing anything here. We'll get there. Okay, so now there's no components in the Nuxt chatbot application, which, you know, as convenient as their setup is, that's how I like it. Because most, if not all of my components are going to be in a library. If I have any that are specific to the chatbot, then we'll make a components folder. Otherwise, they're going in the Nuxt libraries components folder, which is also set up to work like the primary one. You want something? He's being real chill. So this should just work. Should just work. It should just work. I did not I did not update the libraries. Update mint is mint and view in the Nuxt chatbot. Let's see. But view mint is peer dependency. So grab this guy, paste that there, change that to Nuxt, save it, run npm run update Mint. And that will update all of my libraries. I'll be right back. Cat needs probably let outside. Alright. All my Mint libraries are updated now. And we can serve it. Everything working as expected. Love it. Okay. Now, I didn't change anything in Nuxt Mint, right? Which means it probably published. Yep. Okay. So I can come over here, npm, oh, npm I. Oh, no, yeah, I already ran update mint. And I think that unlinked it anyways. Yeah, so that's good. It works. Okay. Okay, what's different in here? Deleted the components. And then the plugin. No, oh. You ready to come in already? Okay. No, it's raining, so he probably just wanted to pee. Come back in real quick. I'll be back in a sec. Alright. We'll commit this. Do git commit. Use libs proper. Oh. Did I not create the other repos? Nope. Okay, I think I just need this one anyways. Nuxt apartment was basically just so I could save the old files because I think I'm gonna try to make this the playground, and I think I can host the playground. I'm fairly certain I'll be able to set a website to host a playground. That's the plan. So, I think I can do this one from scratch. GH, repo, create, apartment slash Nuxt chatbot dash dash private dash dash source equals this guy. Git status, git push. Beautiful. Okay, and I got it running earlier, so I don't need to prove to myself that I can do that again until I'm ready to actually launch it. Or not launch it, but to start working on the back end. And I'm not going to start working on the back end for a second. Okay, so I guess my plan now is copy over my other widgets. Mm-hmm. I wanted to figure out a better way to do all this anyways. We'll come back to that actually. I'm not going to use the background partial. So we're done with that. Breadcrumbs is good. Let's just... Can I use touch? gonna be easier to make directories. Breadcrumbs. I didn't want to do it here, but now that I'm doing it, it doesn't matter. Embed grid. Ending. Table video BG. Video BG works with images now. My stream goes out because I lost power. What did I do last? Table? I already have title. Video BG. I'm just gonna call it Video BG until I figure out what I'm doing with that. That's all my widgets. And then the widget, and then the generic widget. If I can figure out how to make these more generic and stop repeating myself so much. Let's see, pipes. File size pipe. Phone pipe, save pipe. I'll come back to those. Resolvers, there's the page resolver, that's the only one. Services, background service, not using that. Data service, not using that. No, I will be using that. But we'll come back to it. No, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it. Environments. What do I do in here? Will I inject the environment? We'll come back to these as we get to them. But mostly I'm interested in the... Oh, I did that in the Nuxt. Damn it. Okay, well. I will figure this out. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna need this open. For the widgets, I'm gonna need examples. So why did I even do that? I should just... I need that. 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 Those. That. That. So many things. Landing. Table. I've already done title in this video BG. And then there's widget. That's all I'm really worried about. Let's close all these guys. Pretty big list. We're gonna start in view mint. Got to figure out why these are also broken. Widget. Button needed to... so, new file. I'm gonna start from the left. Breadcrumbs. Does it depend on anything? Nope. breadcrumbs.view. Bring this guy over here. Well, no, honestly, over there. Get rid of that for a second. Get the template out of the way. Span vf equals model dot description. Yes, but I'm going to I'll close that. Do that. Do that. Template. Am I allowed to do that? So maybe template's the way to go. I feel like it's gonna yell at me. Do I trust the AI? For item index, key is item.router link in model.items. We have A. No. No. Nuxt is linkable. No, we're not in Nuxt. We're not in Nuxt. Breadcrumbs is definitely going to be a Nuxt thing. So I am going to use that instead of that. And, well, no, yeah. So close it. And it's going to be model equals item. Yes. Everything feels good in here. I'm going to save it, but we gotta move it. It's gonna go into Nuxt Mint. Widget. Paste. We cool? Okay, I dig. No need for index. And key should be on a new line. I agree. Especially with the font size this big. And it is pouring. Alright, so everybody's happy about this one? Good. That's 1 point for Nuxt. You know what? I might as well do the logic of it if I can. Let's see. This item dot router link. Okay, so yeah, wait, come back here. Is linkable model equals item. Yeah, so that item's just gonna be, I don't think I need that anymore. We're gonna come over here. Uh, let's see. Not that one, not that one, not that one. I'm gonna look at either Nuxt Mint or View Mint. In SRC, anything in the SRC folder. What? Oh, it's not in a tree. That's why. God, oh man, that took me so long. Why is it searching in node modules? Get rid of .nuxt, get rid of the node modules. There we go, in the header. After each header.set mode. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna want to do here. Come up here. Okay. I gotta figure out how to set this to make it yellow if it's a linting issue. What was I doing? I imported it. And I'm gonna need this guy. Put that after the model. Don't ask me why this guy gets its own thing. Maybe I should always do that. I just don't like saying const all the time when I have like like I'm defining 10 constants and I'm using const on every line. Like you don't need to do that. But I do want to keep this away from the rest of all my variables that I might define here. So I am just gonna keep it like this, but I don't want that. I want update breadcrumbs. Oop, I'll do that. I don't know. I like the space. Space before function param. I'll just submit to that one. I wasn't married to it. Um, I got this. Now I need set breadcrumbs. Update. And that's in the constructor. So basically, after this, but also, yeah, I wanna do unmounted. Come on, AI, you can do it. I believe in you. Get the URL, split it. No, Tom is inside. I don't even need to check. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, okay. Let's see, update breadcrumbs. I'm gonna want, actually, I'm gonna want this first. I want the router defined. Like console.log. Oh, let me just see. Net URL equal. Right, I'm getting to it. I gotta. URL is never reassigned. Use const instead. Yeah, okay. You're right. You're right. You got me. Model.value.update. Items. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. It's possibly undefined. Yeah. That's what I thought. What am I doing here? Okay. Duh. No. Nope. Don't need to do that. Don't need to do that. There's no reason. Unexpected mutation of monoprop. Go back to where it works. Okay, that looks right. I'm gonna come back and test this when I'm done with the view components. Let's just get rid of that. Move header over there. Embed. This is the view mint. We can delete that. Create embed.view. And this guy over here. Start with the template. What's wrong already? Oh, child, right. That's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. doing that at the moment. Oh, these should be optional too. Item.classes goes there. Let's see. Oh, I'm losing headphones. It's okay, I need to eat soon anyways, so I will come back to this. Thank you for watching. I believe I will be doing more tonight. I just gotta eat.